Hey learners, what is up? Do you know why do you wake up suddenly when you have a nightmare in which you die? And do you know what is the name of the bird used in the Twitter logo? And do you know who invented the homework for students? In this video, you will watch 12 enigmatic facts which will enrich your knowledge of facts. So, without making you more curious, let's jump right into it. Fact number 12. Have you used a pencil with an eraser attached to one of its ends? Then you must have seen the metal which joins the eraser and the pencil. But do you know that the metal which joins the eraser and the pencil has a name? This metal which joins the eraser and the pencil is known as ferrule. Fact number 11. Have you heard about the OnePlus company? Of course you may. Then you might know who is the owner of this company. The owner and the CEO of this company is Pete Lau. But this is not the fact I want to tell you. The fact is, Pete Lau was the ex-vice president of the Oppo company, and he resigned his job because he wanted to establish his own company, and that company is known as OnePlus today. And this company has the second most largest number of loyal customers. Now, you may ask, what is meant by loyal customers? Look, if you purchase any product of a company and if you like the quality of it, then next time you will again buy the product of the same company. So, if anyone buys the phone of OnePlus, the person will again buy the phone of OnePlus when he wants to buy a new phone. In this case, OnePlus company takes the second position and Apple takes the first position. Fact number 10. You might have heard many short stories of Swami Vivekananda in which we get to know his character or something great about the country India. If you haven't heard, here's a story. Once, an Englishman asked Swami Vivekananda, why Indian ladies do not shake hands? Swami Vivekananda replied him by asking a question. Can an ordinary citizen of your country shake hands with the Queen? The Englishman replied, no. At that time, Swami Vivekananda answered his question by telling, in our country, each and every woman is a queen, so they don't shake hands. Instead, they join their hands and say Namaste. Fact number 9. Most of you may eat eggs. Then tell me that, do you eat white egg, brown egg or black egg? Now, you will say, what type of question is this? White and brown egg is okay, but black egg? No hen lays eggs in black color. Then how could you ask this to us? Then let me tell you that there is a breed of black chicken that lay black eggs. Hard to believe, right? But it's true. Would you want to eat this egg? Fact number 8. By this fact, you will get to know how hard is the skin of an armadillo. Once, a man from Texas tried to shoot an armadillo, but its skin, which looks like an armor, deflected the bullet right back to his face. Wow. Fact number 7. Let me ask you two questions. What is the color of the Statue of Liberty and what is the color of copper? You will say the Statue of Liberty is blue-green in color and copper is reddish-brown in color. Now, if I tell you that the Statue of Liberty is made up of copper metal, you will say, what? But it's true. The Statue of Liberty is made up of copper metal. But due to the oxidation, means due to the reaction between oxygen and a metal, it changed to blue-green. Fact number 6. We all know how tough it was to spend whole day in quarantine during lockdown due to coronavirus pandemic. But do you know Sir Isaac Newton discovered gravity while in quarantine during plague epidemic? So, isolation is good for creative ideas. Fact number 5. How much weight can you lift? An untrained average human body can lift up to 61 kgs, but the girl you are watching on your screen had lifted 80 kgs. The name of this girl is Rory Van Ulft. She is from Canada and she is just about 7 years. Hard to believe, but it's true. Fact number 4. How much hours do you sleep? According to the National Sleep Foundation guidelines, teenagers of the age from 13 to 18 needs 8 to 10 hours of sleep, and an adult needs 7 to 9 hours of sleep, but a giraffe only needs 5 to 30 minutes of sleep in 24-hour period. Wow. Fact number 3. Do you know why you wake up suddenly from your sleep when you have a nightmare in which you die? So, this happens because your mind doesn't know what happens after death. So, you wake up suddenly from a nightmare in which you die. Fact number 2. Before I tell you the fact, if you haven't followed me on Twitter and other social media platforms, then follow me. I also upload some facts on these social media platforms. Link is in the description. So, most of you and even me use Twitter. But do you know the bird on the Twitter's logo is actually named Larry? This name is named after the National Basketball Association legend player Larry Bird. Fact number 1. Do you hate homework, and do you feel that you are punished while doing homework? If you feel it as a punishment, then you are absolutely right. The person who invented homework was an Italian teacher named Roberto Nevilis, and he invented homework in 1905 as a punishment for his students. Really, teachers, you punish us daily. Okay, with that being said, let's wrap up this video here. If you learned something new from this video, like this video. Let's set a target. Let's say 15 likes. And also share this video and subscribe my channel. Do you know facts? And always remember, I always love your face and I will see you with something new in the next video.